Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be interrupting our regular scheduled programming to bring you a simple trick that you can use to improve your skills as a developer, regardless of the language you are using. And guess what? The simple trick is no code. Exciting, isn't it? And fortunately, once you learn the skill, you can begin using it immediately. So what do you think the skill is? Something difficult? Of course not. Then it wouldn't be a trick. The only thing you have to do is watch senior developers build programs. I'll say it again. Watch senior developers build programs. The unfortunate reality is you as a junior dev or someone who's just beginning programming will rarely get to see developers senior to you write code. Now, when I say developers build programs or senior developers build programs, I am not referring to how-to videos or tutorials or roadmaps. No, that is not what I'm saying. These videos that I will present to you, they may not be as in-depth as a tutorial or a how-to video, but they will cover a lot of the nuance that you as a junior dev probably have never seen before. It will show you the way how a senior developer thinks, reacts, and builds programs. How to go from systems analysis to systems design, problem analysis to program design. There's a lot of resources. Anything by James Powell on YouTube is great. PyData is also good. I forget which YouTuber did this video, but if you search on YouTube, effective pandas, a really good video will pop up. Dave Gray, a YouTuber, I think he does a lot of videos, could be recency bias. Another way that you can improve is watch programming discussions, programming conferences. In fact, they are also programming podcasts. Watch it, learn from it. Do not try to just follow along and write code. Just watch the video and absorb the material. These may not be as in-depth as I said as a tutorial or a how-to, but they will be very informative to you. In fact, did you know the guy who built Task Manager makes YouTube videos? Google YouTuber who made Task Manager and watch his videos. They will all be helpful resources that will help you as a junior developer. And that's the end of the video.